Today we can study exercise 3.1, question number 3. Question number 1 and 2 already we done. Then what is question number 3? If a matrix has 21 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? Total 24 elements is there. We have to find out order of possible orders of that matrix. Yeah, right. Solution: possible orders equal to, when you multiple, we need answer 24. Look, 1 into 24. 1 into 24 is 24, isn't it? That means first possible order is 1 by 24. Then 24 into 1 also. That time also 24 you will get, when you multiple 24 into 1, you will get 24. That is second possible order. Then 2 into 12. 2 into 12, 24. Just reverse. 12 by 2. Then next 3 by 8. Then 8 by 3. 8 into 3, 24. Then 6 by 4. 6 by 4 and 4 by 6. When you say order, by we will use 4 by 6. That is order. This multiplication symbol we will read by. Then anything possible? Nothing is there. With this much, isn't it? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 possible order. The matrix has 24 elements means. And then second part, what it has 5 elements. Only 5 elements. That time, if 5 elements. If 5 elements possible orders equal to 1 into 5. That is first order. 1 by 5. 1 into 5 you will get 5 only. Then just reverse. 5 by 1. 5 into 1. 5 only. That is second order. Anything more? Nothing. Isn't it? Only 2 order only we can write. These are the possible orders. In this question, one general term given, that is A equal to matrix Aij. Then order of the matrix also given, that is 2 by 2. Then we have to find out that matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, using by this condition. Condition is Aij equal to I plus j all square divided by 2. Solution. First we have to write 2 by 2 matrix general form. General 2 by 2 matrix. You can give one name. A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. This is 2 by 2 matrix. In here 2 rows, 2 columns. Then this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. 4 times. This is the general form of 2 by 2 matrix. Then using by these elements, we can find out all the required elements. First we can find out A11. Using by this condition. In here I means 1, j means that also 1, isn't it? This I and j values given here. I means we can give 1 plus j. J how much? That one also 1. 1 plus 1 all square, this square divided by 2 equal to 1 plus 1, 2. 2 square by 2. Then 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2, 4 by 2. You can cancel common times 2 times. Then first term, that is A11, we got answer 2. The next second term, that is A12. 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 Again use same formula, that is I. What is I in here? I is 1. J means 2, isn't it? Then I we can write 1 plus then J. J means 2. Whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 square divided by 2. 3 square, 3 into 3, 9 divided by 2. We cannot simplify, we can write 9 by 2. That is our second term. Then third term, A11 finish, A12 finish. Then A21. A21. In here, I means, this I is first term, I means 2, isn't it? Then next J, J means 1. Given here, I means 2. 2 plus J, J means second number, that is 1. All square, all divided by 2. Equal to 2 plus 1, 3 square, the same square, divided by 2. 3 square is 9. 3 into 3, 9, divided by 2. Here also we cannot simplify that. Then next, A22. A22. And here I and J, both 2 only. And given here 1. I means 2 plus J also 2. All square divided by 2. 2 plus 2, 4 square divided by 2. 4 square means 16 divided by 2. Equal to 16 divided by 2, 8. Now we got all the 4 terms. First term is 2. Second term is 9 by 2. Third term is that one also 9 by 2. Then fourth term A22 means 8. Then A equal to, can write a required matrix. A equal to, A already we are written A11, A12, A21, A22, isn't it? Then A11, what is A11? A11 already we got it answer 2. 2. Then A12, what is A12? A12 also got it, that is 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Then A21, A21 also 9 by 2. Then A22, A22 is 8. This is our required matrix. I think is there. First, you have to write general 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means 2 rows we need, 2 columns we need. Okay. Then A11, A12. Then this is first one representing row, second one representing column. First row, first column. In here, first row, second column. This is second column only, isn't it? Then this one A21 means this 2 representing row, second row, first column. Check it in here, second row. This 2 means second row, this 2 means second column, like that. Then that is our answer, Roman number 1. Now we can do Roman number 2. Roman number 2, you can see our question. Roman number 2 is Aij equal to I divided by j. One general term given, Aij equal to I divided by j. General 2 by 2 matrix. B equal, I am just giving capital letter B. Any name you can give visually. You can give any name, just giving B. That is A12, sorry, A11, A12, A21, A22. 2 by 2 matrix. General form always equal 2 by 2 matrix. Then we can find out each and every element. First A11 equal to, in here I means 1, J also 1. This values give in this given equation, that is I divided by J. I means how much? That is 1 divided by J. J means second number, that is also 1. 1 divided by 1, answer is 1. Then next A12, this one, second type, A12. In here, what is I? I means 1, isn't it? Then J means second number, that is 2. We can write I divided by J, that is 1 divided by 2. We cannot divide, isn't it? That 1 by 2 answer. Then A, next term is A21. A21. In here I means 2, J means 1. Given here I 2, this 2. Divided by J means second number, that is 1. 2 divided by 1, answer is 2. Then A22, next term A22 gives same. I means 2, first number, J means also 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. You can cancel both, answer is 1. Then a required matrix. B equal to, already we are written A11. What is A11? A11 means 1. Then A12. A12 is 1 by 2. Then A21. In here A21, right? That is 2. Then A22 is 1. This is our required matrix. I think clear, easy, isn't it? I think is that. Then we can move next question, Roman number 3. Roman number 3 is general term given Aij equal to I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. In here also we have to find out 2 by 2 matrix only. General 2 by 2 matrix. You can give another name, capital letter C also we can give next one, next alphabet. Then same A11, A12, A21, A22. This is our general 2 by 2 matrix. Now first A11. A11 equal to, even here I means 1, J also 1. This first number is I, second number is J. Then given here in this formula, I means 1 plus 2 into J. J means 1. Then all square, all divided by 2 equal to 1 plus 2 into 1, 2, isn't it? Then all square divided by 2. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 square by 2 equal to 3 square is 9 by 2. Answer is 9 divided by 2. Then next term, that is next element A12. A12 equal to, and here I means 1, J means 2. Given here I mean 1 plus 2 into J. J means 2. All square by 2. 1 plus 2 by 2 into 2, 4. All square by 2. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 square divided by 2. 5 square means 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 25 by 2. A12 is 25 by 2. The next element is A21. A21, I means 2, J is 1. Given here, I2 plus 2, this 2, into J. J means 1 whole square divided by 2. 2 plus 2 into 1, that is 2 whole square by 2. 2 plus 2, 4 square by 2. 4 square is 16 divided by 2. Equal to 16 divided by 2. In 16, how many times 2? Just divide. You will get 8. The next A22. Next element A22. In here I 2, J also 2. Given here in this formula, I means 2 plus 2 into J. J, what is J? J also 2. 2 whole square by 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 whole square by 2. 2 plus 4, 6 square by 2. 6 square, 6 into 6, 36 divided by 2. 36 divided by 2. You can divide, you will get 18. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Therefore, a required matrix are given name C, isn't it? First A11. A11, what we got? 9 by 2. Then next A12, that is 25 divided by 2. Then A21. A21 is 8. The last A22 is 18. That is our required 2 by 2 matrix. Then this 9 by 2, no need to divide. 4.5, no need to write like that. Then 25 divided by 2 also, no need to change like 12.5 like that. Okay, you can write fraction number. Question number 5 and question number 4, similar questions. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix with elements given by that first Roman number 1 Aij 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3I plus j. Then previous question also similar. That's why I am not doing all the complete problem. I'll give some hint. First, we have to write a general 3 by 4 matrix. You can give any name. I'm just giving a matrix A11. In here, 3 rows we need, 4 columns we need. Then 4 columns we can write A11, A12, A13, A14. 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3 rows we need. Already 1 row we return. Then next A21, A22, A23, A24. Then third column A31, A32, A33, A34. 3 by 4. This is our general 3 by 4 matrix. Then from here, total 12 elements is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. 12 elements is there, 1 by 1 you have to find out. First A11 equal to, using by this formula, 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 into I means 1 plus j also 1 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 plus 1, that is 1 minus 3 is minus 2 equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 will be 2. When you take modulus of any number, your answer always positive, isn't it? That means modulus of minus 2 become plus 2. Plus 2 cancel, then remaining only 1. That means A11, first element A11, we got 1. Then same like that, A1 to find out, A13, A14, everything you have to find out using by this formula. Then just give in this matrix, that will be our answer. Okay. I think you can do. If you have any doubt means check it previous question, that means question number 4. Only one difference, this matrix only, 3 by 4 matrix. Previous question, that was 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, and I think you can do. Then today we can